Do you need prior legal knowledge to pass the LNAT? The short answer is absolutely not. Yet many bright applicants still sabotage their own scores by trying to use it anyway. Here is the direct answer in full. The LNAT evaluates your cognitive aptitude and reasoning skills based strictly on the text provided. You must treat every passage at face value, even when it is factually false. The Law National Admissions Test is explicitly designed as an aptitude test, not a knowledge-based exam. This is a deliberate choice, and it shapes everything about how the paper is written. UK universities accept law applicants from a vast array of educational backgrounds. Requiring prior legal knowledge would unfairly disadvantage students who never had the chance to study law at A-level or its equivalent. Think about how varied that applicant pool really is. Some candidates studied politics or history, others pure sciences, others qualifications from entirely different countries. A knowledge test would quietly reward the lucky few and punish everyone else. So instead of testing what you already know, admissions tutors want to see how you think. They are looking for the underlying skills that genuine legal study actually demands. That means the ability to comprehend complex arguments, interpret nuance, and draw logical deductions from unfamiliar material, all while working under real-time pressure. Let us look at how this plays out in Section A. There you face 12 dense passages, covering subjects such as philosophy, ethics, science, and politics. None of them assume any legal training. The golden rule of the LNAT is that all the information you need to answer the questions is contained within the passage itself. Nothing outside it can help you, and much of it can hurt you. This is why you must actively suppress your outside knowledge. If a passage makes a claim that you know to be factually incorrect in the real world, you must still accept it as true for the exam. Introducing external facts or personal biases into your reasoning is one of the single most common ways that candidates talk themselves into the wrong answer. Understanding this constraint is vital for a high score. The same principle carries straight over into Section B, the essay. It does not expect you to cite case law, legal statutes, or complex legal theories to prove your point. The essay prompts focus on general social, ethical, or political issues. Broad awareness of current affairs can help you build compelling arguments, but that is very different from legal expertise. What the examiners are actually judging is the structure of your reasoning. They want a clear, well-supported argument that anticipates counter-arguments and communicates its ideas effectively under pressure. Your goal in Section B is not to show off. It is to demonstrate disciplined, persuasive thinking, exactly the kind you will need in a tutorial or a seminar during your law degree. For a fuller picture, it helps to see the LNAT as one coherent aptitude test across both sections. Section A rewards close reading of arguments, and Section B rewards building one. Neither rewards memorized legal facts. So if you cannot revise legal content, how do you prepare at all? Because the LNAT tests aptitude and adherence to the text, the answer is extensive, timed, realistic practice. You need to hone your analytical skills rather than memorize textbooks. You must train yourself to rely exclusively on the passage in front of you and to resist the pull of outside knowledge. That kind of mental discipline does not appear overnight. It takes rigorous, repeated exposure to the exam's unique logic before treating a false statement as true starts to feel natural. This is exactly where structured practice becomes essential. The more full-length papers you sit, the more automatic that text-only mindset becomes when the clock is running against you. That is what we built at LawMint.uk. Our resource offers 200 full-length LNAT practice tests, split into 100 Level 1 and 100 Level 2 simulations. With more than 8,400 multiple-choice questions, drawn from 1,200 reading comprehension passages, you can prepare thoroughly without ever opening a single legal textbook. Start building those critical skills today with a free full-length LNAT practice test. It gives you a highly realistic simulation of the actual exam interface, so nothing on test day feels unfamiliar. Do not leave your law school application to chance. Head to LawMint.uk for the full series of 200 tests with 8,400 questions. And subscribe to @LNAT Prep on YouTube for more guides like this one.